Everyone. Today we are going to discuss endothermic and exothermic reactions. So during the course of reaction, heat may get released or heat may get absorbed depending upon the type of reaction. So on the basis whether heat is given out or absorbed during the course of reaction, reactions can be categorized into two types. So very first type is endothermic reactions. Endothermic reactions. Now, endothermic reactions are the reactions where heat is absorbed. Now, in this case, heat is absorbed during the course of reaction, due to which enthalpy of product is greater than that of reactant. Thus, heat of reaction, that is enthalpy change of such type of reactions, is positive. Now, in endothermic reactions, products are less stable than reactants also. Now, consider for example formation of NO2, which can be given as N2 gas plus twice of O2 gas gives twice NO2 gas. So this is one of the endothermic reactions. Now during course of this reaction, amount of heat absorbed is found to be 66.4 kilojoule. Thus the net heat of reaction, that is enthalpy change of reaction, is 66.4 kilojoule. Now this is positive value as the enthalpy of product is greater than that of reactant. And on other hand, secondly, the another type of reactions on this basis is exothermic reactions. Now exothermic reactions are those reactions where heat is given out. So heat is released in these reactions first of all, and hence enthalpy of product is lesser than that of reactant. Thus delta H is negative for this type of reactions, and ultimately products are more stable than the reactants as far as exothermic reactions are concerned. Now number of examples of this type can be given, among which one of the example is, consider this KClO3 solid. When this undergo decomposition, then what happens? That lead to the formation of KCl, and along with KCl oxygen gas get released. Now enthalpy change for this reaction is found to be minus 78 kilojoule. Now this is the negative enthalpy change. Why? Because enthalpy of product is lesser than that of the reactant, and we know very well that enthalpy change of reaction is nothing but difference in enthalpies of product and reactants. So these two are the types depending upon the heat change. Thank you very much.